You know, in like the 90s and like the 2000s, we had some higher level programming languages. But if a person today looks back on one of those higher level programming languages, or maybe even C, they look at one of these programming languages, they're like, I don't freaking know what the hell that means. The vast majority of people nowadays don't ever have to worry about stuff like memory optimization or managing a stack or whatever, aside from just like academic purposes. In like the 2010s and beyond, now what are we doing? We're doing like really high level, like Python web server setup stuff. We're doing like Node, you know, a big chunk of the internet, as wonderful or terrible as it is now run on JavaScript. I guess the point that I'm making is if we go into the 2020s and all of a sudden it's natural language, is that really that big of a jump, right? At every step, we're going from something that's basically unreadable or uninterpretable to something that's a little more interpretable. But at the end of the day, all of this stuff just sort of like compiles down anyway and turns into machine code that actually does something. It actually like, you know, flicks zeros and ones in binary basically on a computer in order to get something done. So anyway, to make a long story short, I don't think it's necessary for you to learn how to code. I think it's necessary and important for you to learn how to read code, because if you want to get into any sort of computer adjacent field in the next 5 years, like ours, it's important for you to be able to do that. But do you need to actually learn how to code or write such programs from the ground up? No, I don't really think so.